Hello everyone. This video we see about what is Genbank and how to access Genbank and download a file of gene of interest. First we see about what is Genbank. Genbank is the National Institutes of Health Genetic Sequence Database. It is designed to provide and encourage access within the scientific community to the most up-to-date and comprehensive DNA sequence information. Therefore, NCBI is the National Center of Biotechnology Information, places no restriction on the use or distribution of the Genbank data. The Genbank sequence database is an open access, annotated collection of all publicly available nucleotide sequences and their protein translations. It is produced and maintained by the National Center for Biotechnology Information as a part of the International Nucleotide Sequence Database Collaboration. Collaboration is comprised of the DNA Databank of Japan, European Nucleotide Archive, and Genbank at Genbank. These three organizations exchange data on a daily basis. This is about the introduction of Genbank. Next we see about how to retrieve a nucleotide sequence from Genbank. So the aim of this experiment is to access the Genbank website for retrieval of any gene of interest and to save the sequence in FASTA format and download a file of gene of interest. It is not off. Principle. Entries of nucleotide sequences are stored in the Genbank nucleotide database. Each entry contains complete information about the particular gene. Genbank website is accessible for anyone who is interested in getting the entry for the research. Procedure. So first we see about the theory and then next is the practical of how to retrieve the nucleotide sequence. So in Google search bar, you type NCBA and click search. It shows the National Center for Biotechnology Information. Then click the National Center of NCBA, which shows it goes to the this URL. Or if you know the URL, we directly type it in the Google search and find out and easily go to the NCBA URL. So now the NCBA homepage will be appeared. Click all the data. Click the all in a small box. There is all databases. So then we nearly have a drag of menu and track the bar and select the nucleotide. Now in the next one space, there shows the some blank. That is we have type any our gene of interest. In this experiment, we have type as a gene of interest is collagen. So we have type it in the search area and click. So search list will be displayed. Click the suitable assertion number and interested gene of interest. So when you have to search list, there shows the number of collagens in different type of organisms. So we have to choose which collagen gene we have to choose from which organisms. Click the gene of interest and access the number. A new window will appear and show the entry of collagen gene in detail. Download a file of gene of interest in detail. Or otherwise, if you have to continue the gene sequence, we have to always download in the form of FASTA. So we have to choose click and FASTA sequence will appear in the window. So FASTA represents, it's always in the form of starts with the greater than symbol. It is followed by the assertion number and then organisms likewise. Then we have to copy the sequence and paste it in the notepad or otherwise directly we go set it to the notepad and save it for the further analysis. So that's this is the procedure for retrieval of nucleotide sequence. So from this we have collagen gene was retrieved and saved as a FASTA format in notepad and also the gene detail information also downloaded and saved it in the notepad. Okay, next we see about how to retrieve the nucleotide sequence in the